One common reason of problems occurring between families, and especially between parents and children and between siblings, is when parents treat different siblings and their different children unfairly and unequally. And so what happens is sometimes a parent may have natural love for one child over the other, or they may see that a certain child of theirs is treating them better, and so they reciprocate in kind. And this is completely natural human behavior. But as parents, we must make sure that we try our best to treat our children fairly and equally. And this is also the command of our beloved Prophet ﷺ, that, for example, when it comes to giving gifts, make sure you give gifts equally and fairly between your children. Why? Because otherwise this leads to enmity between them, and it starts to cause a hatred to develop in their hearts for you as well. So this is something very, very important. Yes, at the same time, if there is a justified reason to give a certain child a gift which you are not giving to the other, for example, two children, and one is earning well off and he doesn't need maybe money, and the other is a student of knowledge and he needs money to support his studies, and so you give that second child for that valid reason, that's fine. But simply to do it because you like one child over the other, or because you want to deprive the other child, that is not a good excuse. If we want to maintain love within the family long term, then give gifts equally and generally create and try to have fair treatment between all your children.